Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to get our floating keyboard on Redmi 13c device. Well, first I'm gonna show you my keyboard display. Okay, and then here you can see that the floating keyboard on my device is active. And then to get over it, you can easily press the line at the bottom of the keyboard here. And then you can drag it to the edge of the screen like this. And then now you can drop it. Okay, and then now the floating keyboard is over. Well, that's the tutorial on how to get our floating keyboard on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.